here, almost there. We have been in the car for a really long time. How you doing, John?
I'm doing good. I'm trying to read my maps. A little left up here.
We are in Tennessee, heading to Nashville. Super fun. I woke up at 4 a.m. and worked today. And still, I'm able to make it to Nashville.
How long did you nap? Like 3 hours?
I don't know, actually. How many Joe Rogan podcasts did you listen to?
Just one, actually.
Really? So was it an hour?
Well,
I mean, some of those can be 5 hours, apparently. So
yeah, it was long.
you guys get to come along with us because I'm vlogging this trip. Yeah.
What's that mean? Yeah, we're gonna get into a new thing. Disc golf vlogging. So then I'll play disc golf and she'll vlog. And then we'll both have fun.
Actually, that would be fun. You give me a drone, I could give you like cool shots, like make you look really dope. And then we can edit it and make it look like you throw the disc in the bag every time.
You don't throw it in the bag.
What is it called again?
Basket.
Oh, basket. I was thinking it was the goal. Okay, you're getting our first reaction to our room. We love staying at the Graduate. We stayed at the Graduate. Where did we stay? Was that Iowa? So John booked this because we loved it, and it was like kind of corn themed, farmer-esque, because it was Iowa. Well, in Nashville, we got Dolly Parton over the bed. Like, what? I'm obsessed. And the wallpaper in the hallway is sparkly. This wallpaper is not sparkly, but it's pink. So I might just not go home with you. I might just stay here.
Alright, let's do this. So you just got the class.
So John decided to get is it the third hottest?
Second hottest.
At the Hottie Bees chicken. Second hottest? See, I just don't like crying through my meal.
That is so good. That is so good. Woo!
I took one bite and my mouth is on fire. I got 0 spicy on my chicken. I can handle it, totally, but you're sweating. The first hottest, like the number 1 hottest, has ghost pepper, and we all know what happens when John has ghost pepper. If you don't, ask me about it sometime. My pretty sparkly walls. Okay, we are at the Elston food shop. Right, John?
What's that?
Where are we at?
I don't know, some diner in Nashville. And got some classic
I
Nashville
think it's called Elston something.
fried green tomatoes and Nashville hot chicken for breakfast.
We got all the works. All the works. This is my second thing of chicken since being here in Nashville. It's only been day 2. Oh my gosh, babe, this is such a good view of the city. Look at that. How fun. I'm gonna look like a tourist right now.
And then they ended up.
I did not know this. Okay, we're gonna go on the Express Dolly train.
So excited.
Kind of fun. It's like just mountains. And then over here's the park.
480,000 tons of plastic materials were hauled behind this engine and other flappers. Up to 34 trains a day ran in support of the project, and within 9 months, the impossible became possible. Now, Cinderella has remained with the park throughout its evolution, from Cinderella Kids to the present day Dollywood, where she continues her tradition of hard work.
Oh, I keep like putting it.
Did everybody have a good time on the train today?
Yeah.
Well, on behalf of myself, my fellow conductors.
Okay guys, so we've done like everything basically food-wise, not ride-wise, here at Dollywood.
So good.
It has been so fun. It's like visiting your grandma's house.
Yes.
Which
So
is
clean.
like your favorite grandma's house. I don't know if you have one of those, but it's so clean. And what else makes it feel that way? It was relaxing.
It's relaxing.
Which doesn't happen when you go to like an amusement park.
Everyone who works here is very nice.
So freaking nice.
The food is all very good.
food's
It's not priced
amazing.
bad.
That's the
You
other
get big
thing.
portions.
Yep, not overpriced.
Yes.
And it's just been all around a great experience.
Great trip.
Yep.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
But then you also have what's called a forehand throw. We throw it like this.
Okay.
So guys that are baseball players and more naturally athletic, you're gonna catch on to this quicker than this.
What is, and then the other one is the
Backhand. It's like, so think about if you put, what are you videoing?
Come on.
John, what you got there?
Mountain Dew, hot dog, cheese on.
Wow. If that's not a road trip snack, I don't know what is. We just got some beef jerky. We're on our way back. I think we're in Kentucky. I think we had amazing food. I definitely felt like I got the whole Nashville experience. We spent some time on Broadway because you had to do it. It was a holiday weekend, so I don't remember it being that crazy last time I went. And then we also went to the Assembly food court, which was so fun, and you got a beautiful view of the church where the Grand Ole Opry used to be, which I didn't know it started in a church, which that's really cool. And I want to take a tour of that place next time because we did not take a tour of it. And then also we had amazing hot chicken. That was great. I feel a lot more like I know the area a little bit more because we spent some time in the suburbs. It is like so pretty outside of Nashville. I'm like, wow, this is like best of both worlds. And my friend Katie and I went to Dollywood, which is like so much fun. It's definitely like Southern charm, and like no one was rushing. So that's what made it so fun, because it wasn't like Six Flags. Six Flags is crazy. Or even Disney World. Like, everyone's trampling over each other. Dollywood is like 3 hours away from Nashville, so it's not like close. But we decided to make it a girls trip while the guys did their thing. We also had a lot of disc golfing opportunities. We took one disc golf day, and John, you liked the disc golf courses.
Yeah, it was good. It was fun.
No, but tell me what you told me about Nashville.
What did I
For
say?
those who like disc golf.
I have a really good disc golf scene, a good community, really good courses.
How many courses? Like, they
Like,
have
a lot.
of courses
We
down in
played two.
Nashville. Yeah, we did. I played one, and John tried out another one too, which is really, they're just pretty. It's just so pretty down there. I didn't know this, but Tennessee actually has the most diverse nature plants, types of plant. I'm so happy for my friend Katie, who's down here with her fiance Brian, and really just like, I mean, so exciting for them. Any last words?
No, it was a good trip.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And if you want to tour more cities with us, if you want more random disc golf tips, or if you just think it's funny that John likes Mountain Dew so much, please hit that follow button, that like button, share it with a friend, say these two people are really weird.
Do you have any antacids? Because I feel like all the food I ate, I need